Look up tonight, find one star, just one, in that scattered field of light. Now multiply it. There are 100 billion stars in our galaxy alone, and there are 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. The numbers are so large they stop meaning anything, so let's make them mean something. Even if only one star in a million has planets, that's still hundreds of billions of worlds. Even if only one in a million of those could hold life, that's still millions of living planets. Even if intelligence is almost impossibly rare, the math says the galaxy should be crowded, it should be loud, it should be full of voices. So here's the question that has haunted scientists for 70 years. Where is everybody? In 1950, a physicist named Enrico Fermi was having lunch with colleagues at Los Alamos. They were joking about flying saucers, and mid-conversation, Fermi went quiet, then asked a simple question. But where are they? That offhand question became one of the deepest problems in science. The universe is ancient. Our galaxy is about 13 billion years old. Earth is only 4.5 billion years old. That means countless stars and planets existed billions of years before us. If even one civilization rose a million years before we did, they had time. Time to spread, time to build. Think about how fast we've changed in just 1 century. 100 years ago, we couldn't fly across an ocean. Now we've left footprints on the moon and thrown probes past the edge of the solar system. Give any civilization a million-year head start, and the galaxy is theirs. In the 1970s, a physicist named Michael Hart ran the numbers on this. Even crawling between stars at slow speeds, a single civilization could colonize the entire galaxy in a few million years. A few million years sounds long, but against the age of the galaxy, it's the blink of an eye. So the sky should be full of evidence, megastructures, signals, ships, something. Instead, we point our most powerful telescopes at the stars, and we hear nothing. This silence has a name, the Great Silence. So scientists started asking a darker question. What if something is stopping them? In 1996, an economist named Robin Hanson gave it a name, the Great Filter. The idea is simple and terrifying. Somewhere between dead matter and a galaxy-spanning civilization, there is a wall, a step so hard that almost nothing makes it past. And here's the chilling part. We don't know if the filter is behind us or ahead of us. Maybe the filter is the start of life itself. Maybe turning chemistry into the first living cell is the near impossible step. If so, we already passed the hardest test, and we are alone because life almost never begins. That would be the good news, but maybe the filter is the jump to complex cells. Earth had simple life for nearly 2 billion years before anything complex appeared. 2 billion years stuck on one step. Maybe that leap is the wall, or maybe the filter is intelligence itself. Life has existed on Earth for billions of years. Tool-using, star-watching intelligence has existed for a few thousand. We might be a fluke that almost never happens. If any of those filters are behind us, we should celebrate. It means we're rare survivors. But there's another possibility, and it's the one that keeps scientists up at night. What if the filter is ahead of us? What if civilizations always rise, reach for the stars, and then destroy themselves? Nuclear weapons, engineered plagues, runaway climate collapse, an artificial intelligence that outgrows its makers. What if every species smart enough to leave its planet is also smart enough to end itself? That would explain the silence perfectly. Not empty, just littered with the ruins of those who came before. But maybe the answer isn't dark at all. Maybe they're out there, and we simply can't see them. We've only been listening for about 100 years. Against 13 billion years of cosmic history, that's a single drop in an ocean. Maybe we're searching for the wrong signals. We listen for radio, but an ancient civilization might use something we haven't even discovered. Imagine searching for smoke signals while the whole world has moved to fiber optics. Or maybe they know we're here, and they're staying silent on purpose. This idea has a name too. The zoo hypothesis. Maybe advanced civilizations agree to leave young worlds untouched, watching but never interfering, a galaxy quietly observing the new species learning to walk. Or the simplest, loneliest answer of all? Maybe we really are first. Maybe in this corner of the universe, we are the ancient ones. The civilization that, a billion years from now, others will wonder about. We don't know which answer is true. Every one of them reshapes everything. If we're alone, the universe is ours to fill. If we're not, the silence means something we haven't understood yet. So look up tonight. At that one star you picked, somewhere in that light is the answer to whether we are a beginning or an ending. And the most haunting part is this: the silence itself is a message. We just don't know yet what it's trying to tell us.